Hello student, today we are going to learn uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Before start this topic, first we understand what is uniform motion and what is non-uniform motion. See here, uniform motion means if a body or object travels equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is called uniform motion. I drawn here a rough diagram. From that also you come to know how we can say the object is in uniform motion. If object cover equal distances in equal intervals of time, from that information if we get the straight line, means this object in uniform motion. Here I have shown the time, and on this line y-axis we have to show the distance. Means if we get the straight line graph, we can say that object in uniform motion. And what is non-uniform motion? If a body travels unequal distances in equal intervals of time, is called non-uniform motion. Here also I draw a rough diagram. If the object covered a distance like this in equal intervals of time, but here we not get the straight line graph, means this object not in uniform motion, means is in non-uniform motion. Here we have given example to understand uniform and non-uniform linear motion. Amar, Akbar and Anthony are traveling in different cars with different velocities. The distances covered by them during different time intervals are given in the following table. Here we have given one table. In that first column we have given time in clock, then second one distance covered by Amar in kilometer, then distance covered by Akbar in kilometer, and distance covered by Anthony in kilometer. Here given equal times of intervals. Everywhere they are given the 30 minute difference in every time intervals, and in that 30 minutes the covered distance by Amar, Akbar and Anthony, that we have given here. Amar covered the distance when it is start from the place, that time it covers the 0 distance, then after 30 minutes he covered 20 kilometer distance, then 40, then 60, then 80, 100 and 120, like this. If we calculate the difference between two distances, we get here 0 to 20, 20, then 20 to 40, 20 kilometer again, then 40 to 60, 20 kilometer, then the 60 to 80, 20 kilometer, 80 to 100, 20 kilometer, and 100 to 120. Again here also we get the 20 kilometer distance. Means so in every time intervals, equal time intervals, Amar cover the equal distances. From this we come to know that the Amar covered the equal distance in equal times of intervals, means Amar is in uniform motion. So second one we will see, that is Akbar, how he traveled the distance? The first, he at the place he has covered the 0 distance, then 18, then 36, then 42, 70, 95 and 120. Let's we calculate the difference in between two distances. First, 0 to 18, 18 kilometer, then 18 to 36, again he covered the 18 kilometer, then 36 to 42, here he covered the 16 kilometer distance, and then 42 to 70 he covered 28 kilometer distance, and then 95 to 120 he covered the 25 kilometer distance. Here also 70 to 95 we get the 25 kilometer distance, means he has not covered the equal distances in equal intervals of time. And last one, Anthony, how it covered the distance, that we will see. Starting, he covered the 0 kilometer distance, then 14, then 28, then 42, then 56, then 70 and last 84. Here if we calculate the difference between two distances, we get the 14, means Anthony also covered the equal distances in equal intervals of time. It means Anthony also in uniform motion. But the Akbar, he has not covered equal distance in equal intervals of time, means he has in non-uniform linear motion. Related to this table, we have given some question here. First question, that is, what is the time intervals between the noting of distances made by Amar, Akbar and Anthony? So what is the time intervals between noting distances? So we have note that is Amar covered the distance, that is 20 kilometer. Akbar covered the different distances in equal time of intervals, means Akbar that is covered the different distances, and Anthony covered 14 kilometer distance. Then second question, who has covered equal distances in equal time intervals? So we know that Amar and Anthony covered equal distances in equal time intervals. Then next question, are all the distances covered by Akbar in the fixed time intervals the same? So answer is yes. Then fourth question, that is, considering the distances covered by Amar, Akbar and Anthony in a fixed time intervals, what can you say about their speed? So the Amar and Anthony have constant speed, but the Akbar doesn't have constant speed because he covered the unequal distances in equal time intervals. From this we come to know that is, if an object covers equal distances in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with uniform speed. Means Amar and Anthony, they have covered the distance with uniform speed, but Akbar doesn't cover the distances, Akbar doesn't cover the distances with the uniform speed, means he has covered the distance in non-uniform speed. Then what is the non-uniform speed? We have given here. If an object covers unequal distances in equal time intervals, it is said to be moving with non-uniform speed. Means Akbar has in non-uniform speed. For example, the motion of a vehicle being driven through heavy traffic. This is the example of non-uniform speed. Next topic, that is acceleration, that we will continue in next video.